Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Bengal today to review the situation and the devastation left by Cyclone Umphoon. The centre has now announced an interim advance relief of Rs 1,000 crore to cyclone-hit West Bengal as the state begins relief and restoration work. Super Cyclone Umphoon barreled into India's eastern coast on Wednesday and left behind a trail of destruction. Bengal is already going through the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and the migrant workers' repatriation when Cyclone Umphoon struck the state and left a trail of destruction. All 107 passengers and crew of the ill-fated Pakistan International Airbus A320 are believed to be dead. The aircraft arrived from Lahore with 99 passengers and 8 crew members and crashed into a crowded neighborhood on the edge of Karachi airport. Authorities said that the pilot called in a mayday saying that he had lost an engine. Witnesses say that the A320 appeared to attempt to land 2 or 3 times, after which it crashed in the residential area known as Model Colony, which is a poor area and is heavily congested. The aircraft damaged 4 or 5 houses and it is not known how many ground casualties are there. Rescue teams are working round the clock at the crash site. The area has been cordoned off. Records show that the last airworthiness check on the aircraft was done on 1st November 2019 by the government. The COVID-19 pandemic worldwide has now 52,23,401 confirmed cases, 3,35,205 deaths and patients recovered 20,99,220. In India, 1,19,574 corona positive cases have been detected and there were 3,600 deaths. 49,026 patients have been discharged so far. 6,088 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. Bengal has now 3,197 positive cases and 259 deaths with 1,193 recoveries as per the data from the Ministry of Health. Union Civil Aviation Minister said that only 1/3 flight services will be resumed from 25th May. Only web check-in will be available and passengers will be allowed with only one baggage. Also, no meals will be served on the flights. The Arogya Setu app will be mandatory for all passengers above the age of 14 years. A mother has been accused of murdering her 1.5-month-old son in Raiganj, North Dinajpur district. She and her husband have been married for 3 years and they often quarreled. She gave birth to a son 1.5 months back and she moved to her sister's place. Suddenly on Friday, she and her sister brought the child and left him at her husband's house. The neighbors then got suspicious and came and saw that the child was bleeding from the mouth. They then stopped the duo from leaving and informed the police. The police arrived and arrested the duo. The husband alleged that his child was murdered by his wife and her sister and filed a police complaint against them.
এখান থেকে ঝড়ে করে বাড়িতে চলে গেছিল আমার বউ, তারপরে ওর দিদির বাড়িতে ছিল, তারপরে আজকে অনেক দিন পরে আসলো, আসে দেখি মৃত্যু অবস্থায় রেখে দিয়ে চলে গেছিলো আমার ছেলেটাকে। পাড়ার লোক ধরে নিয়ে এসছে, মারি ফেলছে, বাড়াচ্ছে নাক মুখ দিয়ে। পুলিশ আসছে তো, কেস চাচ্ছি ওদের বিরুদ্ধে।